Take a ride in the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find SIRIUS satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror, leather wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.